You looking for some goodies? Oh, you gonna enjoy this video. When I tell you they showing out with these finds at Dollar Tree, you gonna get it for the low. Jojo, listen, amazing find. Check this out. To show you the good stuff at the Dollar Tree. You know, that's what I'm here for, okay? I'm here so you can get it for the low. Listen, we want that hair to grow. Now, Dollar Tree has some amazing finds, and I mean some newbies. Yeah, I used to rock the Dupes. Check this out. Oh my goodness, they done took it to another level with this one. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the Wicked for Good only in theaters. Okay, this is the Bare Essentials. They have the tweezers. They also have the eyelash glue. And then they also have the eyelashes as well. This is absolutely fantastic. I love this. This is definitely giving beauty on a budget, $1.25. You know, I love me a good steal deal like Holyfield. Yes, honey. You rocking with the best. Now, let me tell you, Sugarfoot, when I went inside the tree today, I said, oh, I gotta take it away. Now, if you guys have not seen this, oh my goodness, a steal deal, let me say, like Holyfield. Absolutely love the fact that you can use these wet or dry, and you get about 5 of these for $1.25. Honey, if I'm lying, I'm flying. And then, of course, they have the name brand finds at Dollar Tree. I mean, so many steal deals at Dollar Tree, like Holyfield. I said, girl, say what? Honey, absolutely fantastic. You want to stay tuned for this one. Don't you miss it, honey. Can I deliver? In his words of the mother and the brother. Listen, now, you see this right here? Don't sleep on the tree. This is from Guru Nada. I am so impressed right now with this. This is a fluoride-free toothpaste. This has hydroxyapatite. And then it also has xylitol, 25% xylitol. Now, let me tell you what those things do. Hydroxyapatite is supposed to prevent the cavities from coming, okay, or becoming worse than they are. Also, xylitol is prevention of cavities. So each and every time that you eat or drink, we're supposed to be chewing or sucking on a mint or something that has xylitol in there. Now, I do wish that it was 100%, but 25%, I mean, come on. This is a steal deal, just like Holyfield. I am impressed. Honey, you better stop sleeping on Dollar Tree. Honey, just moving and grooving out in these Dollar Tree streets. Cutting up for you and me. Listen, you like these? Now, if you're looking for a sweet treat that's going to have you move your feet, it's definitely these protein bars. When I tell you they good, honey, I love strawberry. These are $1.25 and a place to be. I love this. So, when I tell you Dollar Tree is out here delivering strawberry peach and shower bomb infused with argan oil, the body scrub they also have, honey, they have the whole collection here. They also have the body wash. Now, what really amazed me was this amber glow that's gonna let our hair flow. Now, this is a hand and body lotion from Amber Glow Sweet Lemon, and when I tell you this smell absolutely amazing, unfortunately someone opened this. Now, this is $1.25, but honey, I got so many hits. It's hit after hit after hit. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Therapy Breathe Concentrated Mineral Bath Soap, Epsom Salt Menthol, Eucalyptus, alright, and this is lemon mint. Now, they also have the Nighttime Concentrated Mineral Bath Soap, Epsom Salt Menthol, and Sea Salt, Lavender and Chamomile. Now, this is $1.25. Honey, isn't that a steal deal like Holyfield? Now, let me tell you something. You looking for a head that ain't mess? Honey, what about this? Now, Dollar Tree have brought these back. This is the Flawless Pure Clean Cleanser and Makeup Removal Mitts. Now, 7-day facial cleansing mitt set. Ooh, yes. Yes, you know we rock. You rocking with the best. Me, okay? You see? Now I'm definitely going to get this. This is $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. When I tell you they showing out with these finds at Dollar Tree, you gonna get it for the low. JoJo, listen, amazing find. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the Glowy Haze, the Silky Smoothing Spray, helps hair appear shinier and more smooth for all hair types. Now, this is from Be Pure. They also have the Ebon. Now, this is for the girls that wear the lace fronts, okay? Natural beige. Instead of you applying a makeup, they have this foaming mousse that is going to help make the lace front look more natural. It says natural beige and then they also have the medium brown. These are $1.25. Now, other amazing items Dollar Tree has is the Perkly Pear Moisturizing Hair Mask with moringa seed oil and shea butter. Oh, gel for $1.25. Let me tell you something. Honey, this is absolutely amazing. These Dollar Tree finds over here, terrific, absolutely fantastic. We starting right off jumping straight into it, and we gonna do it. Check this out. First off, Dollar Tree has the Dermasil Energizing Face and Body Spray with green tea, cucumber, aloe, and lavender, and then they also have the Calendula. This is a marigold, I believe, with honey. Now, they also have the rose water and witch hazel. These are $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for some other amazing finds, what about the Brazilian Orchid Body Butter? When I tell you this is hands down the best of the best, not like the rest, $1.25. They also have the body butter with pistachio and caramel, but if it's up to me, it's definitely going to have to be this one. Now, Dollar Tree also have the vitamin C, the whole line that is. They have the Melt and Cleansing Balm with turmeric, the Vitamin C Glow Shimmering Moisturizer with turmeric, nourishing for dewy, radiant skin, and then they also have this one as well. This is the Brightening Eye Cream with turmeric, illuminating for even toned, radiant skin. This is $1.25 for the win-win-win. Now, if you guys are looking for something that is absolutely amazing, it definitely is going to be the Vivive, the Anti-Asian Retinol Foaming Cleanser. Absolutely amazing. Now, they also have the Niacinamide. This one is the Foaming Facial Cleanser as well. Honey, $1.25. What about the name brands? Plum Beauty, Sculpting Beauty Bar, $1.25. Honey, they are just delivering. The Sally Hansen, a win-win-win for the wax girls. And then they also have the Hydro Plus. Now, this is a dupe of Neutrogena. Honey, we know, $1.25. This is the body cream gel. Amazing to say the least. I know you want the goodies, and I know you here for the name brand finds. So let's get into it, shall we? Name brand fine, cooling foot lotion, beat the heat with the cool feet, results in 3 minutes, targets aches and pains. This is a mint scent. This is from Onyx Professional. They also have this one as well. This is a warm feet, warm vanilla, results in 3 minutes. I like this. This is definitely given. Now, this item is sold out really quick at Dollar Tree. Honey, let me tell you, check this out. So this is the Bite Buddy, ease the itch fast and painless, suctions out insect saliva venom for quick relief. These are $1.25 for the win-win-win.